The stacker tees is a device that lifts heavy luggage from the conveyor belt to the container. The device allows ergonomic lifting. This is a VR application that provides the user with the ability to learn how the device works. To move the device, the user must press and hold a button located on the bottom of the wooden disc. The user can now move the device up, down, left, right, in, and out. This video will now explain what the VR application can do in 3 segment tutorials. Menu tutorial. Rotate your controller 180 degrees. Press and hold one of the 3 grab buttons indicated on the controller. Once you have the disc grabbed, drag it towards one of the 3 highlights to navigate to that scene. Let go of the disc by releasing the pressed button. The timer will count down from 5 seconds and teleport you. To go back to the menu, you can also touch the red quit button. You can also press the menu button on your controller to make a 2D menu appear to navigate to other scenes. Point your laser to the desired option and press the trigger button. You can press the menu button again to go to the training mode instead of using the 3D menu. Training tutorial. Follow the instructions given on the board. Start by placing the disc to the conveyor belt highlight. Wait for the suitcase to arrive from the conveyor belt. Suitcases can only be grabbed by the handles. Move towards the handle and press one of the grabber buttons. Drag the suitcase onto the disc. If the disc shows a lost weight error, press the blue reset button to reset the device. Drag the disc towards the container to the right. Once in place, you can push the suitcase into the container by touching the touchpad and pushing the suitcase with the controller. Follow the rest of the steps given on the board. The training mode will end after 5 suitcases have successfully been loaded. You can always quit the session by either pressing the menu button and selecting a new option or by pressing the red quit button. Practice tutorial. You can set up the practice mode either through the 2D menu or through the 3D menu. The 3D menu has 3 options to pick from. The first being an infinite mode, where the user can play forever. The second is a timer mode where the user can race against time. The third is a suitcase mode where the user must load X suitcases into the container as fast as possible. Pick one of the 3 objects up and throw it into the container. If you aren't happy with the choice, you can press the blue reset button and reset the setup. When choosing the timer or suitcase modes, you will be required to throw in an amount into the container. Grab a coin and throw it into the container. You can always add and remove the coins to increase or decrease the value. To start the practice mode, press the green start button. To stop the mode, press the red quit button. Here you will be teleported into a new scene where your statistics are shown. Point your laser to either reset the practice mode or go back to the main menu.